Hello, Professor. This is my lab 2. I've created 3 package for this lab, one package for each exercise. So as you can see here, for exercise 1, there's 5 questions we have to implement it, and we have to input the user. We have to implement that catch the user input, and let's run it. So let's input for type 1 A, B, C, A, B. As you can see, it's calculating the total right answer and the wrong answer and the percentage of that. So for exercise 2, it's a Ludo game. So let's run it. The sum of 5 numbers should match, so between 3 and 25 we should type 5 numbers like 2, 5, 3, 7, 4. So it's implementing correctly. So for exercise 3, the purpose of exercise 3 is implementing the overloaded static method with the different functionality and with the different parameters. Let's run it. So as you can see, one static method with the different parameters and with the different functionality. So this was my lab 2. Thank you. Bye.